Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Producer AI. In order to do so, here we are at producer.ai, and as you can see, we have a few plans that we can try. There is a free version with daily top-up credits that appears to be 25 credits that you can use, and we'll take a look at exactly how that's broken down here in just a moment. You have 2 concurrent generations, non-commercial use, and use of all the core features. And then from there, you're looking at $6 a month, $18 a month, or $48 a month. A little bit different with the monthly. That's for the yearly. That's how it works out yearly. With the monthly, you're looking at $8 a month for the starter, $24, then $64. But let's go ahead and jump in and see what we can do with Producer. So first off, here on the left-hand side, we've got our featured, we've got the search section, following, personalized, turntable, songs, vibes, projects, and playlists. Let's go ahead and check out the featured page. And this is where you can see other people's creations, and you could just search at your leisure. We have the search function here, pretty self-explanatory. We have a list for if you're following anybody. You can personalize your profile. This becomes available at debut level. So you have to go until you get 750 points to get to the debut level. And you can see here a variety of categories that you need to complete in order to reach debut. And that gives you an idea there. So with the debut, Producer AI learns to generate music with your unique aesthetic over time. Every song you create with Producer, every playlist you craft, every artist you follow helps teach our model what you love. As you level up in your creative journey, you'll unlock personalized modes of creation, find your home in the latest space of sound. So that gives you an idea there of what those different tiers do, helps to personalize your experience. Let's check out the turntable. Vote for the sample that better matches the prompt. Rating boosts your personalization, improves our models, and we got some music coming in there. So here we have the task: listen to each sample and choose which one better matches the prompt. Prompt: chillwave, indie drift, sun faded cassette, soft side chain pads, poolside melancholy. And we can vote for that. We have to listen to 6 more seconds to vote, listen to 10 more seconds to vote. So you have to listen to these and then you can vote for that. So let's just take a look here. Vote for this. So rating boosts your personalization, improves your models, and earns you credits for playing around with the turntable. So there you go. That's how that works. And let's head over to the library. This is where we have all of our songs, vibes. This is where you can create a new vibe. And so if you have your own music, then you can use that to create a vibe. And then you can use your vibe in creating music. So that way you have, if you have a certain style, then you can play around with that there. Projects, playlists. Let's go ahead and select new session. So this is probably where you're going to be spending the majority of your time. Up here you could see where it says compose. So if we want to do something simple, we can. Let's go ahead and try this out here. So let's go ahead and go with a chill synthwave tune. We'll just keep it super simple. And we have options here. We have our agent. We have the music model. We can customize. We'll go ahead and send that. And that's thinking now, crafting lyrics. Okay. So we have our sound, we have our lyrics. Now it's generating the song itself. And now we can listen.
these empty streets tonight. Windows down, the air feels right. Tokyo lights paint the sky. Can't remember why I cried.
So there you go. That's what you can get with Producer. And quite honestly, I am impressed with Producer. I've played around with it quite a bit myself. And most of the time I have used Suno. But since I discovered Producer, previously it was called Refusion, it has very quickly been something that I have spent a lot more time with. The free generations is very awesome, and the results are really quite nice, as you can see there for yourself. So what we're going to do is we're going to head over to our Discord here, and as usual, we're going to post our song here on our Discord. And so if you want to listen to the whole thing, then head over to the Discord. You can find it in the description. You'll find a link to our link tree, and there you'll find our socials. So if you want to listen to the whole song, head over to Discord, give us a follow there, and say hi. And we will post our music, and also any videos that we create get posted there as well. And while we're talking about it, check out our services tab. Here you will find a breakdown of the different courses and training that we offer. So we do a course in ChatGPT script writing, also Suno music mastery. We have an AI video creator program, and we can also create music for you using Suno with creating videos for you as well. So head over to our Discord, say hi, and check out the music that we have posted there. Let's go ahead and head back here to Producer. So that gives you an idea of what you can create there with Producer. We have the remix function, and let's just go up here to the top. We're going to select the compose button. What I want to do is I want to start from scratch here. Let's go ahead and go with new session. There we go. And then we're going to go to compose. Here we go. So when you click compose, then you're going to have a more detailed page here that you can play with. So you can just put in a basic request here, but if you want to add your own lyrics, if you want to specify that you want it to be an instrumental, then you can do that there. We have advanced options. We can click that, and you can see here we can add our vibe. So previously we were looking at vibes. So if you have a certain sound that you've added, then you can add your vibe there to get the same sound. We have a few other options here with lyric strength, weirdness, a few other things, key, BPM, length. So some nice options there to play around with, and this is where you can really dial things in for your song. But if you just want to do something relatively simple, then you can just head right over there and just put in what you are interested in creating, and Producer will begin creating your next musical masterpiece. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe, and don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you'll find our socials and our top AI recommendations and promotions. Click on any of those links to get started. You'd be helping us out as well, and we'd greatly appreciate it. Finally, if you're looking for an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And if you refer your friends and family, you can get $125 per referral. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Simply Financial, I can personally vouch for it. Comes highly recommended. Check to see if it is available in your area.